Hey, are you ever in the kitchen and you have a dilemma? Well, that's me today. I want to make fajitas, but I don't have any spice for fajitas. So I got online and I read 5 or 6 different recipes and I combined them and I came up with what I'm going to use for ourselves. I will give you the amounts that I use in the description box. Okay, I have salt, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, smoked paprika. That gives it a unique flavor. I like that much better than just a regular paprika. If you don't like smoked paprika, use regular. Cumin, black pepper. So let me get all this mixed up and I'll show what it looks like. Okay, I have our spices in this little jar that I'm repurposing. But aren't those beautiful? It reminds me of the sand art that the kids used to make whenever they were younger. But we're just going to mix all this up. Let's see, there's a couple of lumps in there, probably of garlic powder or onion powder, but that's okay. Okay. Okay, that's what it looks like after I've mixed it up. Okay, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons per pound of meat. But that's the way that you make your own fajita seasoning at home. So give it a try. You don't have to go out and buy all these different spices to have sitting around everywhere. Use what you have, because the majority of people have enough on hand to make almost any seasoning blend that they need. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this little information. I'll see you on the next video.